The importance of using learning modules in an online course. My name is Dr. Wanda White, and I am the director of the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction at Winston-Salem State University. What is a learning module? Modules are a way to organize your course by weeks, units, chapters, topics, or whatever organizational structure works for your course. Think of a module as folders or nice little packages that you can give to your students to learn as much as they can about a topic in various formats. Why do we use learning modules in an online course? Well, there are several reasons. With modules, you can create a one-directional linear flow of your instructional content of what you would like your students to complete for the week, much like you would direct or quarterback your class if you were face-to-face. Next, each module can contain files, discussions, assignments, quizzes, and any other learning materials that you would like to include. You can easily add items to a module that you've already created in the course. You can also create new items within a module. This allows you to create the structure of the course while developing new learning materials, building the learning experience for your students. Modules and learning styles. We all know the importance of learning styles. We know that we have visual learners, auditory learners, and kinesthetic learners. Think about it. Which learning style are you? Then think about the fact that our students also have learning styles. Using modules allows you to differentiate instruction and to diversify learning activities to address the different learning styles in your class. Let's take a look at how a module actually moves linear. In a Canvas course, you have the module where the students can actually click previous if they want to go back, or if they're going forward, they can click next. Now we're going to learn how to use modules within the Canvas shell.